It's time to eat! But I don't want to eat it. You can count on us. We will help you make delicious and nutritious meals. I can make you smarter. I want to turn into delicious fish soup. Can you help it remove fish scales? Pick out fish bones. Be careful with fish bones when eating and don't swallow them. Hello, shiitake mushrooms! Would you like to turn into fish soup together? Sure, we would love to! The shiitake mushrooms jump into the water perfectly. Help the fish pull shiitake mushrooms ashore. Hello, little tofu! Would you like to join us to turn into fish soup? Sure, fish soup will be more nutritious with tofu added. Slice the tofu into small pieces. Let's start boiling the fish soup. It's time to eat! It's so delicious! I would like to have more fish soup. You will be smarter with more fish. Bell pepper! I can make you healthier. I want to turn into delicious bell pepper eggs and baked rice with bell pepper. The bell peppers are hiding. Can you find them? Wow! So clean!
Hello, eggs. Can you make bell pepper eggs with me?
Yeah, no problem. Hello, Mr. Rice. Would you like to join us to turn into the delicious bell pepper meal? Okay, let's do it together. Guess which ingredient is coming? Tasty corns! Yeah, my favorite, cheese cubes! Wow, carrots! Yeah, my favorite, cheese cubes! Tasty corns! Wow, carrots!
La 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 la
The oven party is starting now! It's time to eat! Bell pepper tastes so good! I like to eat bell pepper. Come and give it a try! It can make you prettier! I want to turn into the delicious potato pie! The potato removes its peels. It's amazing! The potatoes want to turn into tasty mashed potatoes. Hello, broccoli. I would like to invite some chopped broccoli to turn into potato pie with me. Wow, great! Broccoli can make potato pies more nutritious. Hello, carrots! Do you want to turn into potato pie with me? Yeah! Potato pies will be more nutritious with carrots added. The potato pie looks so adorable. The oven party is starting now. It's time to eat. The potato pie is so delicious. I'm feeling awesome after having potatoes.